Hey, hi guys. So I am Sudhir Mohan and I want to share one thing with all of you that has helped me a lot in my journey of online business. Okay, creating freedom for myself, creating more money for myself. So it is a course, Freedom Business Model from Siddharth Rajshekar. So this is a course which has helped me a lot in getting clear on my niche, getting clear on my mission, are the right steps to take. Okay, how should I approach this online business journey? Okay, so it has helped me a lot. Before this I was not able to take steps. I was doing one business, but I was not able to get freedom in that. I was not able to automate it. Okay, I was working for full day in that business. I was making money, but I was not having time for myself. But after getting into this freedom business model, it really helped me, and I got the right steps what I have to do, what are the steps that I have to take in future. Okay, and what are the steps that I have to take right now, because it is very important to learn and then implement. And this is the thing that he teaches, Siddharth Rajshekar. He is really amazing guy, and he teaches that what you have to do right now, and you have to take steps, because without taking steps there is no way that you can get results. Okay, so he has helped me a lot, and I wanted to share this because I want to help more and more people to create their online businesses, and this has helped me. So I will recommend to everyone that go and join this course, because it is really helpful. Okay, and the main thing why it helped me is because of my mentor Siddharth Rajkar. He really focuses on helping people. Okay, so that is the best advice from me. So this was all I wanted to share, and he is really amazing person. This is the best course that anyone can get into. Okay, so all the best, keep learning and keep implementing everything. Bye bye.